Ang FH Moms, no, is a social enterprise and it's also considered as an edtech na startup company. So, when we started in 2017, all I wanted is just for me, no, to be able to connect with like-minded entrepreneur moms or freelancer moms. Kasi alam natin gaano kalungkot, no? So, I just created a Facebook community and I'm not really sure ano yung gagawin ko talaga during that time because I don't have any intentions, no, of creating a startup since I don't have any registered business naman during that time and I don't have any background talaga. So when I was growing the community, no, I realized na, oh, there's a big opportunity, no, for the community as well as the members, no, na mag-grow din together with me, no, as a startup founder. So I joined different startup competitions and then programs, no, when I entered the startup industry. And then kasabay noon, no, gino-grow ko rin yung FH Moms naman na nagpo-provide ng mga digital skills training. So I went to different places, no, in the country just to provide free training. Then come pandemic, we were able to recruit, no, for a BPO na client na may 200 employees na needed. So nakapag-provide kami sa kanila and then sunod-sunod na yung mga naging programs namin such as computer rent-to-own na program and then apprenticeship, scholarship, and then mga CSR na mga projects where we provide naman aside from outreach, no, we would also provide laptop o kaya Wi-Fi na units for beneficiaries. So